We did not choose to walk this earth. You gave us life, you gave us birth. Now we ask with voices small, is this the world you leave for all?
Can we be safe if the river's dry? Can we find joy if the hungry cry?
What is tomorrow if built on despair?